Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to restrict app installations to only those from the Microsoft Store in Windows 11. This is a great way to keep your device safe and ensure you are only installing verified apps. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to hit the Start button and then choose the Settings app. And in the Settings menu, look for the Apps option in the left sidebar and click on it. This is where you can manage and control your app permissions and installations. And under Apps, find Advanced App Settings and select it. Then you have to locate, choose Where to Get Apps section. By default, it's often set to Anywhere. Then you have to click the drop-down menu and select the Microsoft Store Only recommended option. This setting will restrict your device to allow app installations only from the Microsoft Store, ensuring they are safe and compatible with Windows 11, and that's pretty much it. You have now restricted app installations to only those from the Microsoft Store on your Windows device. This is a great way to enhance security on your PC and avoid potentially harmful software. And finally, if this guide has helped, please like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you up in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.